Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with the lesson. Now open your English 2 textbook, 3rd chapter, page number 29. In previous class, we have learned singular and plural forms of many words. We know that most of the words forms their plurals by adding either s at the end or es at the end or ves or ies. But there are some words which do not have a different plural form. Let us see what these words are. Some nouns have a different word for their plural form. For example, child, children. Here child means one, children means many. Tooth, one single, teeth, many. Okay. Some nouns have the same word for singular and plural. For example, sheep, sheep. Here singular and plural. Sheep, one sheep, sheep it will be, and many sheeps it will be one sheep only. We'll call it as sheep. Sheep does not have plural form. It is singular in singular sheep and plural also sheep. Next, deer. Deer, if there is one deer, we call it deer, but if there are more than one, we still call it as deer. So singular is also deer and plural is also deer. Okay. Now let us see few more example. Turn page number 30. B. Circle the correct word from the brackets. Here they have given you two words. We have to circle for the correct one. First, many women work in this factory. Now many, they have given many. Many means more. So woman is one, women are many. So there are many, we have to tick for woman. W-O-M-E-N. The correct answer is W-O-M-E-N. Woman. Second, my wisdom tooth, teeth is hurting badly. Here they have given my wisdom dash. That means tooth or teeth is hurting badly. So it is one. Wisdom teeth is one. So we have to tick for tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. Next, third one. Several mouse or mice ran about the room at night. Here students, they have given several. Several means many. Okay. So mouse is single. Mouse means one. Mice means many. So we have to tick for mice. M-I-C-E. Several mice ran about the room at night. Fourth one. We get wool from the sheep or sheeps. Here I explained you that for one sheep we call it as sheep. For many we call it as sheep only. So the correct answer is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. We get wool from the sheep. Fifth one. The childs or children are swimming in the pool. I explained you, for one we call it as child, for many we call it as children. Here they have given are. The childs or children are swimming in the pool. Are means many. So children, it will come for children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. The children are swimming in the pool. Students, I have ticked for correct answers here. You circle it in your book. A collective noun names a group of people, animals and things. What is collective noun? Collective noun means more than one person, more than one animal or more than one thing. For example, an army of soldiers, a set of books. An army of soldiers means many soldiers, more than one. Set of books means many books. These nouns act as singular nouns. These nouns also act as a singular nouns. Now seamen. Find out the collective nouns for the following. First, a dash of stars. So for group of stars, what you will call? We call it as galaxy. So the answer is galaxy. A galaxy of stars. Second, a dash of dancers. So there are many dancers. What we have to call them as? Troupe. A troupe of dancers. Troupe. Third, a dash of musicians. So there are many musicians. We call them as band. A band of musician. BAND. Fourth, a dash of bananas. Many bananas. We call them as a bunch of bananas. BUNCH. Bunch. Fifth, a dash of ships. So here there are many ships. So we call it as fleet. FLEET. A fleet of ships. Now let us see what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. They have both singular and plural form. What are countable nouns? Which we can count in numbers. Yes, for example, a cup, 3 cups. So a single cup or 3 cups. So we are able to count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They have only singular form. What are uncountable nouns? They cannot be counted. We can't count them in numbers. For example, powder, gas, liquid. Can you count the powder? No. Can you count the gas? No. Liquid? No. So we can't count these in numbers. So it is uncountable nouns. Now D main. Write whether the highlighted words are countable or uncountable nouns. Let us see what they are. First one, put some sugar in the cup. Now highlighted word is sugar. Can you count sugar? No. So it is an uncountable noun. Second, Sanam has gone to buy a pair of shoes. Here shoes is highlighted and pair of shoes means 2. So you can count them in numbers 1 and 2. 2 shoes, a pair. So it is an countable noun. Third, pass me the glass of water. I am thirsty. Here water is highlighted. Can you count water? No, because it is in liquid form. So water is uncountable. Fourth, the vehicles are parked in front of the market. Yes, here vehicles are highlighted. Vehicles means many. So there is a number. You can count those vehicles. So it is what? Countable noun. Fifth one, the work of firemen is very risky. Here work is highlighted. So we can't count work. Can we count work in numbers 1, 2, 3 work? No. So it is an uncountable noun. Turn to page number 31, listening. A. Your teacher will read a passage. Listen to it very carefully. Then read the sentences and write T for true or F for false. Now I will read the passage. Listen carefully. There are 4 steps in which a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. First one, egg. Second, caterpillar. Third, pupa. And fourth, adult. This process is called metamorphosis. Here students, there are 4 stages where the caterpillar becomes a butterfly. First, the egg. Then after the egg, there is a small caterpillar. Then after that, we get a small pupa. And the pupa will grow into a big adult. And then it will become a butterfly. Okay. Now next. An adult female lays her eggs on the plant. When the egg hatches, a small caterpillar crawls out and eats the eggshells. Then it begins eating the plant. Caterpillars are basically munching machines. The caterpillar's insides grow but not its outside. When it gets too big for its skin, the covering splits and is shed. A caterpillar sheds its skin 5 times, then becomes a pupa. Here, an adult female lays an egg on the plant. Where it will lay its egg? It will lay its egg on the plant. When the egg hatches, that means when the egg breaks, a small caterpillar crawls out and eats the eggshells. So, when the egg will break, a small caterpillar will come outside the eggshells, and what will happen? It will eat the eggshells. It will eat its own eggshells. Then it begins eating the plant. After that, it will start eating the plant. Caterpillars are basically munching machines. Munching machines means the caterpillar always keeps on eating the plant. The caterpillar's inside grow but not its outside. The caterpillar is grown inside. We can't see the growing of the caterpillar. When it gets too big for its skin, the covering splits and is shed. So when it becomes little big, the skin comes out and it starts splitting. That means it is growing. A caterpillar sheds its skin 5 times, then becomes a pupa. That means caterpillar beats its skin 5 times, then it becomes a pupa. Pupa means insect in its inactive form. It is not completely developed. It is still small. The last time the caterpillar sheds its skin, a hard casing called a chrysalis forms around its body. After 10 to 15 days, the chrysalis breaks open and a butterfly emerges. In the last stage, the caterpillar beats its skin again, and after 10 to 15 days, the chrysalis breaks out and the butterfly is developed. Here, chrysalis means a structure which helps the insects to protect themselves from the environment. Now we shall move on to true or false. Here they have given the development of a caterpillar into butterfly. We have to say whether it is true or false. First one, the changing of caterpillars into butterflies is called metamorphosis. Yes, the answer is true because this is the stage where caterpillar develops into butterflies. True, answer is true. Second, there are 3 steps in the formation of butterfly. This is false because there are more than 3 steps in the formation of butterfly. Answer is false. Third one, an adult male butterfly lays eggs on a plant. No, this is also false because only female are able to lay eggs. Fourth one, a caterpillar eats eggshells. Yes, it is true. Fifth one, a caterpillar sheds its skin 5 times before it becomes a pupa. Yes, this is also correct. True. Sixth, a butterfly is also known as a munching machine. This is wrong. It is false. Seventh, a chrysalis is a soft covering to protect the insect. Yes, this is true. Here, chrysalis is a structure which helps the insects to protect themselves from the environment. This is the end of the chapter, The Magic Coins.